How to check your shopping activity on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is a way to check your shopping activity on Instagram. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Instagram with your account. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here at the bottom, you'll got options like shopping back. So this feature was recently removed by Instagram. So although back on 3 years, these options is available on Instagram. So now in this Instagram app, you'll not find these options. So alternatively, you can as usual go with the option message icon just at the top right corner. Alright, so from here you can open any platform which will provide shopping. So you can open any conversation from where you have purchased the items on the Instagram page or channel. So from there you can confirm your shopping activity on Instagram. So this is the alternative method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.